Haiti?
Haiti.
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 All right, everybody, we're going to teach you a nice little song, a Haitian folk song called La Sirène, La Baleine, okay? Which is talking about the mermaid and the whale. It's very easy. So I just want you to repeat after me because we're going to need to learn the words, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Everybody says La,
La
Sirène,
Sirène.
La,
La
Baleine,
Baleine.
Chapom,
Chapon.
Tombé,
Tombé.
Non,
Non.
L'Homme.
L'homme.
All right, so we're going to go to the verse. Ta, 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 danser, ak la sirène,
La Sirène.
chapeau,
Chapon.
tombé,
Tombé.
non,
Non.
l'homme.
L'homme.
Ta, la sirène, la baleine.